The thymus is a lymphoid organ located in the upper mediastinum, just behind the breastbone and between the lungs. It's particularly large and active in infants and children, but shrinks with age, becoming fatty tissue after puberty. Structure of the thymus. The thymus is a two-lobed, soft, pinkish-gray organ with an irregular shape and lobulated texture. Each lobe is further divided into smaller lobules, which are the functional units of the thymus. These lobules consist of two main regions. Cortex, the outer region, densely packed with immature T lymphocytes, thymocytes. Medulla, the inner region, containing a looser network of mature T lymphocytes, epithelial reticular cells, and Hassel's corpuscles. Structures with unknown function. Functions of the thymus. The thymus plays a vital role in the development of the immune system by producing T cells. The thymus is responsible for the production of T lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell that plays a central role in the adaptive immune system. T cells mature in the thymus, learning to differentiate between the body's own tissues and foreign invaders. T-cell education. During their development in the thymus, T-cells undergo a rigorous selection process. T-cells that react against the body's own tissues are eliminated, ensuring self-tolerance and preventing autoimmune diseases. Hormone production. The thymus also produces several hormones, including thymulin and thymosin, which stimulate the development and maturation of T cells. The thymus is essential for a properly functioning immune system, and thymus dysfunction can lead to various immune disorders.